Those are difficult films in general to get made.
I fell in love with film.
That's the way I was known for many years.
Comedy is always the same. Comedy is a man in trouble. If you keep the child in you alive, like I have the inside of me is 9 years old. Then you can do comedy easily. You must not be ashamed of the child.
Say, that was sort of a corker.
Here, enjoy yourself.
The comedians in the 50s are the same as today. The society we live in changes comedy.
Hey, honey, you look a little drawn. Find it a little difficult going all this time without seeing me?
Clowns are easy to understand. Clowns are simple, childlike people. And anything to do with the child makes my work very easy. A clown is wonderful for everyone. The actor is the most important thing, and as a director, I can't keep him in the movie. He's not funny.
Well, just don't do something, sit there. That is, class dismissed. You may go.
The classics of cinema, we must protect them and do everything we can to keep them for our children's children.